Hello, basically this video is going to be about how to calibrate the compass on your drone. To begin, you want to be away from any large metal objects, so you can't be like in a building or within 30 feet of a metal object such as a vehicle or large pipes or electrical wires or anything like that, and have no magnetic objects on you. And then what you'll need is a drone, a USB cable, and a not empty battery, and you'll need a laptop with mission planner on it. So basically we'll begin by plugging in the battery to the drone. Then plugging in the USB cable to the laptop and the drone. Then we have to connect. Column 5, connect. Okay, press OK. And then we can go to initial setup, mandatory hardware, compass. And then here we'll see that we have compass 1, compass 2. Some vehicles have compass 3 enabled. If you have issues with the compass calibration after trying this, disable compass 3 and try again. So to start calibration, we need to click Start Onboard Mag Calibration. So go ahead and click that. Then the drone will beep distinctly. So basically what I do here is I'll rotate the drone 360 degrees, being careful not to disconnect the cable from the computer. Then I'll hold it on, here, let me, then I'll hold one of the arms and rotate it, switch to the next arm, rotate it, switch to the next arm, rotate it, and then the last arm, rotate it, then we switch it upside down, do a full 360, and then bring it right back side up, and then we'll just rotate it like this. Once you get that noise, you can stop, and you just have to, it'll display on the computer, please reboot the autopilot, and so you can just disconnect the battery and disconnect the USB plug, and should be good to go. That will calibrate your compasses. Just make sure that you're away from any large metal objects or anything magnetic that will affect the compass readings.